what up? You are watching SDMO Tech. So you guys must be wondering what is SDMO. It starts with my name and it's ends with Mac OS X, that is Sumit Das Mac OS X. So in this video today I'll be unboxing Apple's brand new MacBook Pro 13-inch baseline model, as you can see. So finally I have it. So let's just unbox it. Before unboxing, let me show you the sealed version unboxing from the store. So before unboxing, let me show you the word description of the configuration from here. Let me show you. As you can see, 13-inch MacBook Pro 13.3-inch diagonal retina LED black light with True Tone technology, 2560 by 1600 pixels with 1.4 GHz quad-core Intel Core i5 processor with 128 MB DRAM with turbo boost up to 3.9 GHz, 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of SSD, Intel Iris Plus graphics 645 and 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB ports. That's it. So let's just start unboxing. So let's just start opening from the top lid. Here we are, MacBook Pro 13-inch with the packaging, as you can see over here, like this. Let me just open it from here. So let's move it aside. Let me show you what accessories we've got. Let me show you the Unistore invoice with invoice, as you can see, Unistore. Move it aside. And we have got the documentations and manuals. Let me show you what inside. Here we are, MacBook Pro manuals and all, everything's written about the features and all, how to use it, and with 2 Apple stickers. Here we are. Let's just move it aside and let me show you the accessories. We've got the Indian plug unit, as it is the Indian unit of MacBook Pro 13-inch. Here we are. And we've got the 61 watt power adapter. It look like this, sealed with it. And we've got the Thunderbolt to Thunderbolt connector for the charging. It's around 2 meter long, I guess. Let's just move it aside, and there's nothing else. And let's start with the MacBook Pro. Okay, here we are, MacBook Pro 13-inch. Let's just start it. Here we are, and let me show you what I see. So here we started, MacBook Pro 13-inch baseline model with touch bar. It's going to start real soon. So let me just move this piece of paper aside. And the initial setup has been done from the Unicorn Apple Store, so we don't need to adjust it. So it's started. As you can see, it requires password for the first time. Then you can open it using your Touch ID. So let me just type the passcode. That's it. So here we are, starting. As you can see, the touch bar also started. Let me adjust the brightness from the touch bar. There it is. And you can adjust your backlight also from here. There it is. That's all for this video. So thanks for watching this video, and make sure to give a like, share, subscribe, and drop your comments. And for the next video I'll be reviewing this MacBook Pro 13-inch baseline model. So till then, see you next time.